Hello everyone, welcome to Cutout Match. My name's Jared, and today we are going to be talking about the Cutout Match Fit Finder, its features and benefits, and how it can be used to help you find an appliance that fits your cutout. So let's get started. So immediately when you log into the application, you're going to see this disclaimer here. So basically what this is saying is Cutout Match is designed to help you find an appliance that fits your cutout. However, there are tons of factors that go into installing built-in appliances. Like, for example, wall ovens, it would be like amperage, electrical location. Cooktops could be the overlap of the cooktop on your countertop, uh, where your gas is located in relation to the countertop and your cabinet. It's just, there's a bunch of different things. I even had one guy who was trying to install a wall oven into a brick cutout. So I can't necessarily see your situation, so it's important to verify everything with a professional installer, uh, contractor, just to make sure everything's going to work without a hitch. But at least this application will get you started on seeing something that's actually going to fit your space. So you click I understand, and immediately we're going to start off with the wall oven fit finder here. If you wanted to switch over to cooktops, the categories are here at the top left, so you can switch back and forth if you need to. But for now, we're going to start with the wall oven fit finder. So let's say hypothetically you measured your space and you have a cutout height of 28.5, a cutout width of 28.5, a cutout depth of 24 inches, and your cabinet's width is 30 inches. Scroll down, press Find Matches, scroll down a little further, and you're going to see all these different matches that will fit your cutout based on the dimensions that you inputted. As we scroll up again to talk about the filters here, we have a filter by brand, a filter by color, and a filter by match type. So starting with these two, filter by brand and filter by color, if you wanted to focus on a particular brand, you'll see the ones that have lit up here, basically signifying that there are options within those particular brands. Same thing with the colors here. Let's say we like Bosch. Click Bosch. It's going to gray out all the different options, signifying that you're just focusing on Bosch. Then on the colors here, looks like within Bosch there are black stainless options, and there are also stainless steel options. So let's say I hate stainless steel, I want to do black stainless, click black stainless, scroll down, and you'll see all the options within Bosch in black stainless that will fit based on your dimensions. So we'll deselect those filters here. Then we're going to look here at filter by match type. Now filter by match type, you have three options to select. You have both, you have exact matches, which essentially means, of course, that these are matches that will fit your cutout itself no problem. But then we also have close matches. Now what close matches is let's say hypothetically you have the ability to modify your cutout plus or minus 1 inch, either widthwise or heightwise. These are all options that will fit if you make modifications to your cutout. Um, but so that's basically what you'd have to do. You can make modifications, but these will fit based on that. So within the actual search engine results, you'll see too the cutout range that you need to fulfill in order for these appliances to work out. You'll see it also with the exact matches too, but it's more relevant for the close matches because it'll tell you, okay, you need to have this range in order to make this fit. Now, another super important thing, we have the view spec sheets and installation instructions. Now, going back to that original disclaimer, like I said, there's a ton of different things that go into installing appliances. So all those different things are going to be in the spec sheets and the install instructions. I highly recommend you take a look at those to make sure everything's going to work without a hitch. Next feature, let's say you like some models. You're going through all the different options. You like some models. You press save on those particular ones. You'll see over here under saved models, of course it saves those right there, but it gives you the option to download all the specs and installation instructions for those models that you selected into a convenient zip file. So if you wanted to send those to, like, let's say a contractor, if you're working with a salesman, a retailer, and you just want to run everything by them, send those on over. And more than likely, if they're semi-competent, they'll be able to tell you whether things are going to work out properly. Lastly, this is a work in progress, so I'm constantly adding features and some things may change involving the app. So if you come back and you see things are different, don't freak out. But I do highly appreciate if you would leave some feedback down here. It'll take you to my contact page. Uh, I'd love to hear from you to see if I can make this app the best it can be. Or if you have any questions or concerns, just let me know and I'll do my best to help you out. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this tutorial. Like I said, if you have any questions, go down to the leave feedback button here, and I'll be sure to respond in a timely manner. Thank you very much, and you guys have a good day. Bye.